Number 2 comes on the VOA at the launching Kanga Tanangapoyin. Lori la Yashina, the Lonial Homir Shinkin Sola Simshik Parvichi, the Titun Hatsoshik Soshibanangshi, Talo Nikon Palin Tichizo Song Kangin, Lonian Tontongan, Janderki Titun Chisoshibatan, Titola Yamshik Jinkin, Alonia Chikton to Galriopinant, Poke Lonia Shikjan Sendu. Poke Lonia de la Pometsi, Talam Nature Yaptur Shagi, Koning or to Shuyin. Nikon Zole Kanga, Talu Lonia Tontiki, Jojin, Sirkam, Gemshiwati, Imbatan, Lonia Rantola, Karmanita, Karchani Shigi Parendu. Number 2 Festival Nikon.fr Shivi Tangin de la Sonia Tibet Shi Zarwaina, Poki Pomo Mingmal Kizivi, Lonia, Poki Alipako Shiwati, Nitu, Lonia de la Yapur Shagi, Tangden Nabayina, Lochingam, Motip Karola Tetapatan, DJ Yapurki, Eshoti Pentapkundu, Chidajivitsi Chishigna, Epimbi Nimatamati Rendu, Lonia in France La Nedo Jinkin, Poki Pemichiki, Rani Zanshut Mayon. Jasal Hasi GDT Washington Shipachi Rendu. Nature American since Barack Obama la Kunga Namtatan Jivi Tony, Tito Tontunganala Landip Chipi, Talam Kenyan Telerim Chikan Yamshik Chikab, Kati Obama la Mumampuchila, T Yamton, Chintonkraga, Kokapaina, Mutiso Susu Yimangatani Kanja Shuikab, Obamai, Mutampote, Consacamgo, Talilama in Bikone, Kalanang Yopagan Patela at Yamdata.
World leaders I'd want in a group text, Dalai Lama. Love that guy. Pope Francis, a genuinely good man. Angela Merkel, former Prime Minister of India, Prime Minister Singh. Maybe I'd throw Queen Elizabeth in there just because she has a drier sense of humor than.
Yano Shungi, Yano Nanga Talam Yonzok Pesho Tane, Yano Marshal Sopati Longo Yakurala Sane Susune, Jakapki Trunkala, Timjatan, Zagula Sopi Shangan Hatsopi Giwamasa, Chapsaki Samu Luso Pirgiwala Sopi, Judge Shichin Chigdu. Nyen de Sola Yanak Vipotating is a longe Mangshuti, Marshal Sopati Lo Yakurashi Wandere, Division Jondi Sarkan Katazik Tampui Katazik, Marshal Sopati Lo Yakurala, Shikir Jarshan Dempesha Giba, Tangalurgila Hobjon Shigiwa, Hopso Pegiwa, Timjit Sochin the Giwa, Tangla Gashin Yung Kesura Zanto Cheba, Jimtun Sheba, Rixa Chato Nirwala Sopi, Mansa Mugir Zonil, Hopsu Pegiwi Katip Tongandu. She get the OP Yanak Shondan Tawa Metembe Chitsuki Talam Trot, Yanaki Tamang Shimbate, Sarakaya Marite, Zankundi Nang Motive and Facebook, Datan Zole Kangangine, she get the OP Yikroatsola, Yanak Tamaki, Sanirtan, Galda, Leton Shimbala Sopa, Dempantanche, Netsupeson, Facebook, Relay Kunti Sajak Pevina, Yanak Tachak, Yikru, Natuntala, Langle Pinkenta, Sopa Tendila, Yakurio, Dondoki, Toniola Cherwatan, Tene Kutsula, Tapushi Pejis, Kachatan, Genji, Sagam Mutitula, Taksha. Yang Yikroaga Kola Sanjir Pesa Sotziti, Yukru Langroa to Tinan Zuri Jis, Tetu Lata Tambetonwa, Sanjir Zmapewa, Gardalwa, Sanjir Shepala Sopi, Yanak Tachak Tetu, Ranjatan, Kachinam Satunchendo. Jashi Yampata to YouTube, the Julia Yang Chinki, Poki Shaptu Gilam Shiwashi Yopandalang at Yamdata. Julia Yanchin Loki, Pochi Shapro Tabshamba de la Pomo Mampochi Gamichi Shimbanangshi, Tananga Pochi Yang Julia Yanchin La Dewa Shete, Koni Pochi Shapro Lachet and Dewa Chapikoni Kandishu.
I was born here in Italy, and because my father is a student of Chogyal Mankhai Norbu Rinpoche and moved here in Italy from Tibet in 1998, where he met my mother and I was born. So how did I start dancing Tibetan dances? It's all thanks to my precious master Chogyal Mankhai Norbu Rinpoche, who in 2011 created this wonderful project called Kaita Joyful Dances, where he collected over 100 Tibetan songs full of wonderful meaning and messages from Tibet with the aim to share them with all people from all around the world. Of course, I was not the only one dancing. I started dancing with my mother and all the people from our community.
Yanchin log ki mutune tanang go pola khungi poti chapter tape number te tag jete dalan chi shi tondo che shin bag ko ni jotun.
What's the main message behind our video is of course to continue and to develop the project of our precious master of Kaita Joyful Dances, and of course to bring joy and happiness to all the people that are watching our videos, hoping that they could understand and know more about the knowledge of Tibetan culture and the beautiful art of Tibetan dancing.
Tene nga chu nyamba la tawi ti su te la lebson terang nga che lhasar jarba chi wi je sarwa chi la nyam de nyen.
Oh, Nimalasa, Nimalasa jadi, mi berkuat desani, imeling sam chorso. Choteni, mucheli sam chorso, ni malasan jadi, majen dowi tonda, chanjulin sam chuyo.
Tang di tanang go po yong sin han ro shu si ba yin lim chen ji mi nang di thak lan ja yong.